very quiet tonight. I think the rain is coming. Do you hear that, Teddy? It sounds like tiny feet on the roof. I am not scared. I think... Oh, it is getting louder now. The sky is crying, Teddy. Ah! What was that? Teddy, stay close to me. That sound was too big. My heart is beating fast. I don't like when the sky makes loud noise. I think I need Mom. Come, Teddy. Let's go to Mom. Mom, I am scared.
Come here, my little one. You are safe.
The sky is shouting.
No, sweetie. It is only thunder.
It sounds angry.
It is not angry. It is just very loud.
Why does the sky make that noise?
Because the clouds are full. They need to let their energy out.
Like when I cry?
Yes. Crying helps the heart feel better.
So thunder helps the sky feel better?
Yes, my love.
Can I sleep here?
Of course.
And Teddy too?
Teddy always stays.
Thank you. Mom, it is not so loud now.
The storm is calming down.
I feel sleepy.
That means you feel safe.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, my brave girl.
If you liked the story, please like, subscribe, and let us know how you enjoyed it.